Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to fix Win plus E and Win plus R combination not working in any Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So let me show you. Say when I press Win plus E, it should have opened the file explorer, right? But it's not opening. And let me press Win plus R2 on my computer keyboard. So I have pressed, so nothing opens. So when I used to press Win plus R, the run command or the program used to open, right? So I don't know how it gets disabled or why it's not working, right? If you are facing the same problem like me, then what you need to do is just move your mouse cursor to the start and just in the search box just search for one name, that is a program name, group policy. Just search this name and you will see here one option, edit group policy. Just open this. So now under this user configuration, as you can see here, you can see here one folder name as administrative templates. Just select it and just click on this left arrow, and now just select this Windows components, and after that just once again click on this left arrow, and now you can see your file explorer, right? Just click on it. Now on the right side just scroll down and you will see one option, turn off Windows key hotkeys. So right now you can see it's being enabled, right? So when it is being enabled, that means you will not be able to use the Win plus E and Win plus R combination keys. So let me double click it. So now you can see it's being enabled, and you can see here clearly mentioned Windows plus R and Windows plus E. So if this option is turned on, that is enabled, then these two keys, that is the Win plus R as well as the Win plus E combination keys, will not gonna work or it gets disabled. So to make it enable again, just you can either select the not configured or you can just select disable also. So right now I will just select the not configured. You can select either disable also, the tricks will remain the same. So I will just select the not configured and just click on apply, click on OK. Now you can close this local group policy editor, and now just on your computer keyboard just press Ctrl Shift Escape, and now just scroll down and just select this Windows Explorer and just click on this restart, and now you can close this task manager. And now let us try if it's got fixed or not. So let us press the Win plus E combination. So now you can see the file explorer gets opened, right? So it's working back, and let us check Win plus R. So finally the run program 2 gets appeared back again. So finally we have fixed the Win plus E and Win plus R combination which was not working in any Windows computer. So this is the tricks how you can fix Win plus E and Win plus R combination keys when not working in any of your Windows computer. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.